Look at the pictures. What makes the object in each picture move? Objects move when you apply force. Force is a push or a pull on an object. It can cause a non-moving object to move. It can also make a moving object change its direction, move slower or faster, or even stop moving. Force can also change the shape of an object. Push and pull. Push and pull are forces. They act on an object in opposite directions. Push is a force that makes an object move away from you, like when you push a table or a chair to make space. You also push when you press the buttons of a remote control or when you kick a ball across a field. When you cut an apple into smaller pieces, you push a knife through it. Pull is a force that makes an object move toward you, like when you stretch the rubber band of a slingshot. You also pull when you pick up something you dropped on the floor, remove a weed, or play tug-of-war with your friends. To make things move, you must use enough force. For example, you need to apply more force to lift a heavy object, like a bucket full of water, than to lift a light one, like a glass of water. Motion. Force causes movement or motion. When an object moves, its position changes. You use force and feel motion every day. You use force to close a door, lift a glass of water, toss a ball in the air, or play marbles on the ground. You see motion in the movement of jeepneys on the streets and of the people around you. Natural elements like water move and cause objects to move. For example, if you drop a leaf into a river, the water will carry the leaf away as it flows. The strong current or flow of ocean water help move boats and ships. The wind can also make objects move. Think of how clothes that are hung to dry move with the wind. Think also of how the leaves of trees sway during windy days. Change in motion. Force can stop or slow down motion. For example, a ball that is not moving can bounce or roll if you throw or kick it. Or, a rolling ball can stop or slow down its motion if you block or step on it. You can also make the ball roll faster by kicking it hard. Another example of a change in motion is when a boy stops or slows down the bike he is riding when he squeezes the brakes. Change in direction. Force can change the direction of a moving object. You can do this by applying force in the direction that you want the object to move. For example, imagine a baseball game. When the pitcher throws the ball, the batter hits the ball in a different direction. This causes the ball to change its direction too. When you ride a seesaw with your friend, you move up and then down as you push yourself off the ground. Change in shape. Force can change the shape of an object. What happens to a rubber band when you stretch it? Its shape becomes longer. When you play with clay dough, you make shapes and form objects by applying force on it in different directions.